everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today we're going to take a look at a gorgeous 1970 Plymouth GTX. Just a stunning car, guys. It's finished in Panther Pink. This is not an original Panther Pink car. They only built, I think, 7 of them total. I think somebody said they only built 1 with a 440 6-pack, which this car has. But beautiful car. This car's been a nut and bolt rotisserie restoration. It's body color underneath, just like it is on the top. It's got the white vinyl top, the white interior, the white side striping. I just love this car, guys, and I'll tell you what, this thing runs and drives outstanding. Good solid straight body, really just nicely done. It's got BF Goodrich Radial TAs all the way around it with the 15-inch Magnums, air grabber hood. It's a 440 6-pack pistol grip 4-speed car with a Dana rear end, and I'm telling you, pretty as can be, guys. Turn the key, take it right to a car show. The chrome and stainless, you know, you can see this is original. The grill's original. I think they've replaced the bumpers. Beautiful Panther Pink paint. Love the air grabber hood. One of the coolest options Chrysler ever came out with, in my opinion. See, the dash in there is nice. Vinyl top's in great shape. Again, you look at all that trim, it's nice. A little light scratching in that rear window, but pretty doggone nice. It's got the go wing. Pretty car, guys. Nice and straight down the sides. They did put quarters on the car. It's got 2 full-length quarters. Get new rear bumpers. Got the chrome tips. It's got power front disc brakes with slotted and drilled rotors. I love this color combo. Now, this is a factory U-code car, guys. It did not come with a 6-pack. It was not a V-code car. It's got a 70 date-coded 440 in it. 6-pack carbs and intake. It's got the Holly carbs, the Edelbrock intake. Stock exhaust manifolds. Again, power steering, power front disc brakes, electronic ignition. It's got the Be Cool aluminum radiator with the electric fans. No fender tag on it, guys. Again, it's not an original pink car. I have actually ordered a fender tag from AG back east. Functional air grabber hood. Pretty car. See, that dash in there is nice. 8-pillar chrome, shows a little pitting. Still pretty doggone nice. Factory mirror. Looks like they've replaced the door handles. I love the pink with the white, man. I just think this car just pops. Bucket seats. It's got the pistol grip 4-speed. It is a factory 4-speed. It's still got the reverse lockout for the key. Factory dash, 45,194. That's supposed to be the original miles. It's got an aftermarket Autometer tach, stock gauges in the dash, and he's got some aftermarkets under there. AM radio. It's got all new Flowmaster dual exhaust. It's a Dana 354 Sure Grip rear end. Factory jack with spares in the trunk. Again, they put 2 full quarters on it. It's all body color in here like it should be. Pretty car. Again, all the floors are body color. Console lights work. Dash is in great shape. A little bit of peel in there on your console stick. You can buy that brand new. Dual mirrors. And about the same on this side on the A-pillar. This thing runs and drives excellent, guys. Parking brake works. You can see the lights on. Tach's functional. Gauges all work, Jay?
Yeah, everything but the temp gauge. You got it down there.
Oh, that's right. So they moved the temp gauge down there. Air grabber switch works. Boy, it's a nice car, guys.
Even the reverse lockout still works.
Yeah, that's what I said. Yep. Reverse light works. What about the...
No, on the radio, blower motor, yes.
Blower motor does work, guys. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Facebook page or our brand new Instagram page. Or as always, pick up the phone, give us a call, 248-620-3355. Boy, I like this car, guys. That is tough.